Hello, Quincy. Mayor Koch here with a COVID-19 update on this Friday in the middle of July. Last week, we were pleased to report we were at 8 active cases. This week, we're at 30 active cases. Now, some suggest that may be a result of what went on through the July 4th holiday and people not following the guidelines. The reality is our numbers are going up, and we've been bragging the last few weeks that we were going steadily down, which was a nice trend. So this new trend is a little bit disturbing to me. I know I've had conversations with my health commissioner, Ruth Jones, has been doing outstanding work, her and her staff at the health department, along with our first responders. We're seeing what's happening in other parts of our country with the spikes and the surges, and we're trying to minimize that here in Massachusetts, and certainly in Quincy, Massachusetts, we're trying to do that. So we've had some challenges out there. We've had 2 teachers with a summer program, 1 teacher, 1 para, and a secretary in Quincy Public Schools that have tested positive, which kicks in a whole routine of quarantining folks that were involved with or near them during the work, the children, etc. We've had some issues in some of our youth leagues. One of the challenges that the health department has pointed out to me and asked me to remind, particularly our restaurants, is that we need to follow the guidelines. Anybody working in a restaurant should have a mask on. People that are going into a restaurant, the rule is you wear your mask. When you sit down at the table, you can then obviously take the mask off. But workers should be wearing those masks. So we've had a number of complaints, and we've actually worked with Tim Cahill from the Chamber of Commerce in individual establishments to please, as a reminder, to follow the guidelines. This is very, very important. So we have 30 active cases today. We've had 1 more death. It was an elderly person in one of our nursing homes. Unfortunately, again, we extend our sympathy to the family of that person. So we've had 1,325 confirmed cases in Quincy, 134 deaths. More than 1,100 have recovered, and as I said, 30 active cases. So we need to be diligent, folks. And there's times, I remember the other day I was walking up to church, I was halfway up and I had forgotten my mask, turned around, went home to get my mask. That's happened to me a few times, try to be vigilant, and I've got to get some cloth ones because I've been having trouble with the throwaways breaking on me, probably my fat head. But folks, we need to take it seriously. We need to continue to follow the guidelines. If you have any questions, you certainly can call the health department. I don't think we've probably put that number up in a while. It'll be on your screen. And any questions, what's happening at the state level, you can get a hold, or you can look at the website through our website that is up on the screen as well for Massachusetts. So with that, folks, please spread the word. We need to be careful. We need to continue to be vigilant if we're going to get through this together. So thanks so much. Until next time, have a good weekend, and God bless.